Hi folks, there's Sinclair and George. Just having a wee stop. There's Loch Rannoch. And straight ahead is where we're heading. Sinclair's leading the way. We're following, yeah, Pathfinder. And check that for a view. Fantastic. And this spot here is where Sinclair camps sometimes during the summer. Absolutely spectacular. Here's me. Here's me, folks. And there you go, look at that. There's one. There's two. That's George and Sinclair getting ready. Few cars here. There's the toilets that are conveniently closed for winter. Scott's Wild Camper, the wild camping channel for the great outdoors. The river's down there. Can't see it, but I can hear it. Sod's law, folks. When we got out the motor, it was just starting to rain. We've got all our rain gear on. George has got his waterproof trousers on, and the sun came out literally 2 minutes after we started. Can't complain about the weather right enough. You know, can't complain about it not raining, but we head up any higher, any steeper gradient, we'll soon sweat with all this gear on. It looks like it's going to be a great day. We're heading up into the snow line, I think. I can see the snow in the higher ground. So we should, there's a good chance we'll be camping in snow.
I could understand that, like, because they've seen the bunch of them.
Heading up and beyond.
All right, mate. You found a right nice perch there, man. Oh, that's a bit good. Right, setting down. Oh, I'll do it.
Wee bridge over there, another wee walk. That's where we're heading towards. just started to snow. Don't know if you could make it out. Very light snow. Snow's right on now, so we're kitting up for the snow. Crossing the bridge. Still heading up the way. We're going to have a wee 15 minutes in there, get some food and fluid down our throats. I'm just heading out of this section of the walk. I think we'll finally get a wee view here, up here. The snow's stopped obviously, and the sun's back out. As I say, the view is opening up. We're heading to those snow covered tops. We'll not get up there, but that's where we're heading. Yeah, Sinclair doing some filming. I'm obviously doing some filming. And there's George in the distance. He's doing the same. So we all like our wee videos. And there's the deforestation. Seen a lot of that in this hike so far.
Find the most convenient spot. We're more or less, once we get the forest, we're more or less a mile away from here. I hope we can't, but we're trying to make it, we're doing what we do.
That's our target. Near us straight ahead, the glen. I'll pick up that black bag. Right folks, that's where we're camping tonight. There's my red akto. Sinclair's tent. George's green akto. Temperature's dropping. Yeah, it's going to be a cold one tonight. We're just on a wee hike to get water, because we didn't carry in much water. I think about a litre between the three of us. Passed plenty of water, but where we camped, oh, there's Sinclair. I can see Sinclair's gone down somewhere. Maybe there's water there already, so that's not very far from where we're pitched. Minutes. We found our water source. Yeah.
With no socks.
No socks.
Yeah.
Absolute bare feet. And that's sorts
I better
of.
turn that off, Eddie, innit?
Uh,
Or are we discoing?
disco. Yeah, the disco tent. The disco tent.
Oh, I can't see it's spouting bleeding tea now. Oh, it's so good that. Oh. Yeah, I got it. I had, like I say, worked 17 years at power stations, so I got, you know, you didn't showers when you get bloody athlete's foot. And I put that my quarter on now. It's that cream, and it's just brilliant. It's a treat. But I'll not get it for ages, for 2 years, and then all of a sudden, for some reason, bang, it
Bang, comes back.
Yeah.
I think it's a different variant.
Possibly, yeah.
I think it is.
Morning, folks. It's nearly 7:30. 7:30 AM. There's my tent. You can see it's been snowing a wee bit. Not too much, but a wee bit of snow everywhere. Right folks, that's 7:50 now. The camera battery died when I was filming at 7:30. That's Sinclair up now. And George's been up 10 minutes. So we're all up and at it. I think we're all feeling fit. How are you feeling, George?
Absolutely wonderful, mate.
Great
night.
Great stuff.
Yeah, warm as toast.
Warm as toast.
No complaint.
Yeah, Sinclair. Filming the mountains there. A lovely morning. It was a beautiful night. Absolutely fantastic night sky. That's where we walked from.
Time lapse, but I'm calling it a time lapse.
Sinclair doing a time flaps, whatever that is.
We're missing, if we had just got down a wee bit further, we would have had that peak in up there. We would have had the sun hit against the snow.
Water's frozen, so you know it's below freezing. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry? Aye.
Standing last night.
Aye.
That was a standing thing was in the disco days.
And porridge. And hot chocolate. Hot chocolate in the snow. The snow's just stopping. Had a wee snow shower there. Just a light snow shower for about 10 minutes. That's it clearing up again, which is what we want. We don't want it to snow too heavy. Make it harder for us to hike to where we're going. Great stuff. Hi folks, it's just after 10 o'clock. That's us, we've all struck camp. George is away about 5 minutes ago. That's Sinclair away. I'm just about to go. That's where we were. Took all our rubbish, as you should do. So there's no trace of us, except for the outline you know, where the tent makes, because it snowed a bit last night. Beautiful day. It's been same as yesterday. It's been sunshine and then snow. Sunshine, snow. If it's like that today, that'll be fine, because it was light snow. But except for one time yesterday, right enough, the snow did get a bit heavy. But I'm hoping the weather stays like this. Right, I'll talk to you when we get up. Behind me. Great view. Obviously the logging, they've been hard at the logging here. That's where we're heading, or that's where we're heading towards, straight ahead. You might be able to see George and Sinclair. A wee bridge across the burn. Hi folks, it's beautiful here. Pretty much same as everywhere else I've been since I've started wild camping. Everywhere's been great, absolutely fantastic. Right, I better catch up with George and Sinclair. What is this, a climb over? I think this is we've come to a climb. Oh, it's not too bad, but it's a wee bit awkward. It's your rucksack. That's it. And you see we're heading out of the forest into the open hills. There's the mountains over there, fantastic.
That's the old Cali forest, that's how it was. Beautiful, that's.
George and Sinclair walked back the way. Decided it's going to be too far for the walk back on Sunday. We could make it further, well, we could hike another hour and a half, couple of hours. The problem is we've got the hike back that we done today, and then the hike back we done yesterday. Today in the one day, and the weather is to get wilder. So I don't think it's, you know, I think it would be too much. It's not worth the risk, you know. I've got to get back to work anyway, and Sinclair's got to get back for 6 o'clock, and George has got to drive down to England, so just need to cut our losses. That's part of wild camping and hiking and doing micro expeditions and all that, whatever you want to call them. You know, you have to know when to give up and turn back, just to keep everything and everybody safe. So that was it. Try again another day, maybe in the summer. Oh, my grass is struggling.
It shows you what can happen. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Oh,
It was brilliant, yeah. Worth every mile coming up there, mate. Thank you for inviting me. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. More adventures to come in. I just wish I lived up there and then we could go more often, but
Well, you don't, and that's it, you know.
yeah.
You know, you've got the
But I've got a taste of it, haven't I? You know what I mean?
The thing is, you know us now, and you've got the guys up here that can,
Oh yeah.
you know, when you've got the time to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice cup of tea. We're walking back a different route. That's George. Right. How are you feeling, Sinclair? Truth.
I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is I'm in my heart and I'm in my head, and I don't know what else to say.
You strap any more into on that rucksack?
You've been
The ruck?
you know, Charles Atlas.
Another tent on there.
It's like somebody that travels to Baron, what was it?
Munchausen.
Baron Munchausen.
Baron Munchausen. Civilization. It's a big house. Me and George are waiting at this bridge. If you remember the big house I showed, probably the previous shot of this. We were hiking past, and the owner was just about to go on a bike ride, and Sinclair asked him if he could, or if he knew anyone that could drive us back to, or sort of take Sinclair back to the car park, and the owner was very helpful indeed. In fact, he's away in his car, he's took Sinclair back. So that was great. That was absolutely great. So should be back maybe 30 minutes. That was a bit of luck. I think it would have been a long hike back. You see our camp spot for the second night. We've even got a wee beach, our own little beach. George is going for a swim later. George and Sinclair are away. A wee drive to some shops. I'm not sure if it's in. I'm not sure where it is, but they're away anyway to get some supplies.
You know, I could never shoot one in a 15 million years.
It's a week 3-shot day, George.
I know, but I couldn't do it.
Far too many.
I couldn't do it.
There you go. Just getting a wee fire going. Hopefully it'll
What about
last.
putting it on this side where you see where it's all
Right.
damp stuff? Yeah.
Yeah. We're running out now, like. Once that's going, all I've got is that again. And I'm no putting my malt whiskey in.
You're on candid camera.
Whatsoever, mate. I won't advertise either.
I will.
This is the life.
Certainly is, boys. We've picked it well. It's actually turned out not too bad, eh?
Oh, it turned out brilliant, mate. I wouldn't have missed it for all. Brilliant. Yeah, no complaints.
Get something beyond the smoke if we can. See what happens. That's interesting. Slow that down a few, about 5%. What they call ferrex trout in there. They're big 15 to 20 pounders.
I've just been raising it on there. Fucking old fish I've never heard of, man.
No, I get the Arctic chars here as well. They're supposed to be the Arctic char black, but
Yeah.
Really? They're like a cross between a trout and a salmon.
Really?
Because they're not the same breed, really.
But the char in here are huge. When up there the loch is shallow and it gets deeper and deeper, further down it's absolutely hollow. So it's massively deep. In the hard winters it freezes to about here, and then it drops, and then it can't freeze because it's too deep for some reason. And that's where they all hang about. You see these big boats going up and down, you know, the little skiffs and all the rest of it. They go back and forth, they're trawling back and forth for these ferrex trout and these big char.
That little bird there on that.
No, that'll be a wee robin. Wee robin. It's great, we'll get a wee bit of a wee bit sound.
Better make it a good this one. Take.
Bastardo! I'm going to have to put that somehow, get rid of that. I'm going to burn otherwise.
Sausages, onions and rolls. Great.
Fuck, I'm going to be stinking.
There you go. Roll, sausage and onion. Fantastic. Good stuff. Hi folks, it's 8:15. We've been up since, I don't know, 7 o'clock. About that. You can see we're slowly getting packed away. We're not in any rush. We'll have another cup of tea before we